Hello everyone, I hope that all of you are doing well. Today I'm tuning in for an unboxing video. I know I'm in the washroom, but today is a gloomy day and the light pretty much anywhere else in the house is not as good as here, so we're gonna do it here. And I know that this is not probably the favorite content for many of you, but I have something special that I think it's worth sharing the experience with you. I received a package from Aylsworth Razors. And this, as of today, is unobtainium. It's something that you cannot find and you cannot buy, unless someone wants to sell it to you secondhand. I was able to snatch one of the last Drakkant Ti's, and over here I saw that the card is speaking over here. This is just explaining about the razor and message from Caleb from Aylsworth. So these razors are no longer being made. These were the last one and they sold within hours. I think that in less than 24 hours, both finishes, the matte finish and the as machined or the shiny polish look alike finish, they were pretty much gone. I just sliced the box open so we don't have to waste time doing this. I didn't open it, so if you see this paper over here and you've never got anything from Aylsworth, usually that's the paper that you get, that nice black paper over here. Oh, okay, I see something new. I don't think that I have a sticker from Aylsworth. Nice and shiny sticker with the Aylsworth logo. That goes to the sticker collection. And over here you can already see the box. Very cool looking. I hope that it's not too noisy. My son finished school and he's playing around, running with his toys, having a good time. Alright, here is the box. Nice, stylish black box over here, and that's a... Oh, is this a real wax? That's a wax, yeah, at least it feels like it. That's a really nice touch with the Aylsworth logo. I really want to be gentle and preserving this as much as possible. Alright, mission complete. Everything is intact. We have the ribbon released. Oh, nice. Over here we have a little note from Caleb. Thanks, Lubo. Oh, gorgeous. In the razor. But first let me check on that note real quick. Alright, so this is the certificate of authenticity. And I have the lot number here and the signature. Whoever authenticated it, I assume that it's Caleb. He's the person checking everything and all the quality, and here it is, the gorgeous Drakkant Ti, nice and shiny. Comes also with a box of Gillette Platinum, similar to the stainless steel apex, and here is the razor itself. If I recall correctly, the weight is 55 grams, and honestly it looks a bit weird, actually feels weird, because you expect it to be stainless steel, but it's way lighter than the stainless steel razors. There's some threads from the box over here, but look at that. This is the as machined finish, and yeah, I cannot really see much of the machine marking. It looks like it's almost polished. Here with the plus plate marking and the logo. 3-piece razor here, washer, here's the base plate, you can see it better. Sweet! That's really cool. Yeah, these were made in the US by Yates, and these were the last that Caleb released. And from now on, this razor is unobtainium. I'm very excited to try it. I already shaved with the copper kind, so I know roughly what to expect from the shave. I always wanted to own a titanium razor, but I did not want to risk with something that I may not like. The copper can't deliver a great shave when I tried it, so I expect this to be similar, even though that there are some differences with the small scallop design here on the base plate. And obviously the material is different. It will be interesting to see and check how I'll find the shave and compare it. Okay, I'll do a few shaves off camera before we do a proper review, but for now, this was the unboxing of the Drakkant Ti. Gorgeous razor. That's it for today. Thanks for joining me for this video. I'll see you in the next one, and until then, take care.